As a 55-year-old server in recovery, rebuilding my life one day at a time, Sunday all day edition. Boom. Hello, my name's Tanya. I'm a 55-year-old server in recovery, rebuilding my life one day at a time, bringing you daily money updates about my waiting tables job. Day before yesterday was Sunday all day. I worked that all day. In sales, I had $1,586.65. In tip out, I had $34.48. In credit card tips, I made $185.62. And in cash, I made $89, which is a total of $274 all day. I'll take it. I'm grateful. I'm thankful. I'm so blessed. And I go into work tonight. I had a day off yesterday to recoup and realign my energies, and hopefully you've had time to do the same. Anyway, I wish you the best day ever. I love you guys. Bring it in. Me and you. Okay.